Today we are introducing Rosemont model number 644 SA temperature transmitter overview checking. Sensor connecting area. This is first sensor and second sensor. Now we are connecting the sensor cable to the transmitter. White cable connected to number 3rd. First sensor, red cable connected to number 2, another red cable connected to number 1. Next we are connecting the second sensor cable, white cable connected to number 4 terminal, red cable connected to second sensor, red cable connected to number 5 terminal. Next final cable, second sensor, terminal number 6. Next we are inserting the display. Next we are connecting the communicator tested. This is the positive area. Next connect for negative area. Next we are selecting the field communicator. Okay, field communicator. Next select the heart. Okay, we are connecting the unit power through Trex communicator. Okay, then X, transmitter S. Now transmitter is power on. This is the overview menu. This is the first sensor and the second sensor. First sensor showing the same value, both are the same value. This is the analog output value, 7.42 milliamps. Actual temperature is showing 21.35 degree. Now we are checking the variable condition of transmitter. We are already inside the temperature bath. Now temperature is increased. Current also increased. Now almost reached 35 degree. Transmitter display is showing 42 degree. Okay, this is a normal scenario for dual sensor verification.